A tropical delight, the global appeal of papaya with its vibrant orange flesh and sweet flavor, has captured the palates of people worldwide. Native to Central America, it's now cultivated globally. From Brazil to India, papaya trees flourish, bearing nutritious fruit, enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as jams. Discover the journey from farm to table, a tale of tradition and technology. Join us to explore papaya production and its global appeal. Our journey begins in the heart of a modern papaya plantation, a symphony of vibrant green leaves rustling gently in the warm breeze. Here, rows upon rows of papaya trees stretch as far as the eye can see, their slender trunks reaching skyward like nature's own skyscrapers. Gone are the days of small-scale, labor-intensive farming. Today's papaya plantations embrace technology, employing heavy machinery to optimize every stage of cultivation. Powerful tractors, once a rarity in agriculture, now navigate the fields with ease, their sturdy tires leaving gentle imprints on the fertile soil. These mechanical workhorses play a pivotal role in maintaining the health and productivity of the plantation. Equipped with specialized attachments, they transform into versatile tools, capable of tilling the land, applying fertilizers, and controlling weeds with precision and efficiency. But it's not just about brute strength. Modern plantations rely on data-driven insights to maximize yield and minimize environmental impact. Sensors strategically placed throughout the fields collect valuable information on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and even microclimates. This data is then fed into sophisticated software programs that guide irrigation schedules, fertilizer application rates, and other crucial farming decisions. The result? A harmonious balance between nature's bounty and human ingenuity, where technology empowers farmers to cultivate high-quality papayas sustainably and efficiently. As the papayas ripen to their peak, the plantation transforms into a hive of activity, signaling the start of the harvesting season. Skilled workers, their eyes trained to spot the subtle signs of ripeness, fan out among the trees, ready to pluck the fruit at its prime. Unlike other fruits that continue to ripen after being picked, papayas are best harvested when they've reached a specific stage of maturity. Gone are the days of haphazardly shaking trees or using crude tools to dislodge the fruit. Today's papaya harvesting is a delicate art, prioritizing the fruit's quality and minimizing damage. Workers rely on specialized tools designed to gently detach the papayas from their stems, preserving their delicate skin and ensuring they reach the processing plant in pristine condition. For papayas growing on taller trees, ingenious solutions come into play. Long poles equipped with cushioned baskets or suction cups allow workers to reach the highest branches with ease, plucking the fruit without causing any bruising or damage. This careful handling ensures that only the finest papayas make it to the next stage of their journey. Once harvested, the papayas are carefully placed in crates or baskets lined with soft materials to prevent bruising during transport. These containers are then loaded onto trucks or trailers, ready to begin their journey to the processing plant, where they'll undergo a remarkable transformation. With the harvested papayas safely stowed, the next leg of their journey commences, a carefully orchestrated transport operation that ensures the fruit arrives at the processing plant in optimal condition. Refrigerated trucks, equipped with climate control systems, stand ready to receive their precious cargo. These mobile climate-controlled chambers play a crucial role in preserving the quality and freshness of the papayas during transit. The temperature inside the trucks is maintained at a specific level, carefully calibrated to slow down the ripening process and prevent spoilage. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the papayas retain their vibrant color, sweet aroma, and nutritional value throughout their journey. As the trucks rumble out of the plantation, they embark on a carefully planned route, often traveling through the night to minimize the fruit's exposure to heat and sunlight. This logistical ballet, coordinated with precision timing, ensures that the papayas arrive at the processing plant as fresh as the moment they were picked. Upon arrival, the trucks are greeted by a team of technicians who meticulously inspect the fruit, checking for any signs of damage or spoilage. Only the papayas that meet the highest quality standards are given the green light to proceed to the next stage of their transformation. Now, let's take a closer look inside a modern papaya processing facility. Here, the journey of a papaya continues from the farm to your table. First, the freshly harvested papayas are brought in and sorted meticulously. This ensures that only the best quality fruits move forward in the process. Next, the papayas undergo a thorough cleaning process, removing any dirt and impurities. This step is crucial to maintain hygiene and quality standards. After cleaning, the fruits are carefully inspected for any defects. Those that pass the inspection are then peeled and cut, ready for packaging. Finally, the processed papayas are packed and labeled, ensuring they are ready for distribution. From here they make their way to markets and stores, ready for consumers to enjoy. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of a papaya, from the farm to the processing facility, ensuring that only the best quality fruit reaches your table. After the papayas are harvested, they undergo a fascinating transformation. The process of concentration and preservation begins, ensuring that the fruit retains its flavor and nutritional value. This step is crucial, as it allows the papaya to be enjoyed long after it's picked. Through careful techniques, we can capture the essence of the fruit, making it available for various uses, from juices to dried snacks. Once the papayas are concentrated and preserved, the next step is packaging. This might seem straightforward, but it's actually quite intricate. Proper packaging ensures the fruit remains fresh and protected during transit. Then there's preservation, which involves maintaining the quality of the papayas as they make their journey to different destinations. Finally, distribution comes into play, where the papayas are sent to markets, stores, and ultimately, to your table. It's a meticulous process that guarantees you get the best quality fruit. Beyond the delicious fruit itself, papayas offer a wealth of byproducts. These byproducts are incredibly versatile, finding their way into various industries. For instance, papaya seeds can be used for their medicinal properties, while the leaves and peels have applications in skincare and wellness products. Even the enzymes extracted from papayas play a significant role in food and pharmaceutical industries. It's amazing how every part of the papaya can be utilized, showcasing its true value. The journey of a papaya from farm to table is a remarkable one. It starts with the careful cultivation and harvesting by dedicated farmers. Then, through the processes of concentration, preservation, and packaging, the fruit is prepared for its trip. Distribution networks ensure that papayas reach consumers far and wide. Finally, when you enjoy a papaya, you're tasting the result of a long, detailed journey that spans from the farm's soil to your plate. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in bringing this delicious fruit to you.